Hey everyone, this is Little Blue Skiff. I just launched at Mullet Lake Park. There's a view of the boat ramp, and I'm going to take you north, which is downstream, for a couple minutes and show you the return. Here we go. This is just north of Mullet Lake Park. There's a nice neighborhood here with water access along the St. Johns River. Lots of pontoon boats. And you see another great blue heron, a great egret. White bird on the shore bank shore. Just quieting the boat a little bit. You can hear the osprey on this lake. There's quite a few of them. So in this section of the St. Johns, just idling the motor on, we're going around 2.5 miles an hour. Oh, here's an osprey. Okay, you can hear the osprey, nice. Ahead of us is a little island within the middle of the St. Johns River. When higher water levels are higher, I'll take you around that. You can really hear the osprey here. Very peaceful. Anyways, low water, turning the boat around, and I'll head back into Mullet Lake Park where I launched the boat. So the boat is turning around and we're going southbound now, upstream. Here we go. along the waterway. Some nice houses. There's a rare view behind us as we go south on the St. Johns River. And up and forward. Blue skiff heading south on the St. Johns River, approaching Mullet Lake Park. Coming in to dock the boat. Coming up to the approach to Mullet Lake Park Cove. It's kind of nondescript. Little cove you could easily pass by. But little blue skiff or high tech, I got a good navigation system which tells me exactly where I am, as well as depth. So we're coming in. Slow as pro. Pause for a second. All right, everyone, thanks for joining me today on the Little Blue Skiff. I'll take care of taking the boat out of the water myself and getting it all cleaned up. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Thank you very much. Bye.